Hey guys, what's up? Welcome back to my channel, or if you're new here, welcome to my channel. My name is Sabrina, and I want to thank you guys so much for clicking on this video today. I'm going to be showing you what I picked up from Shein recently. Normally with Shein, shipping is pretty quick, but this time it took forever. I don't know if it's because of coronavirus. I'm assuming that's probably why, but it did take a lot longer. It took like 3 weeks or something to get in, and I actually placed another order for some makeup because I want to do like a full face of Shein makeup because I've not seen anyone doing that yet, to kind of review some of the products. So hopefully that will be in shortly, and that will be one of the next videos that I post. But I love shopping at Shein because it's affordable and the quality of the clothes is really nice for the price that you pay. I wouldn't say it's like obviously the best quality, but you're not paying a lot, so I don't expect them to last long, and it's also trendy stuff, so it's gonna go out of style really quick. I'm the kind of person who wears the same clothes over and over and over again, as I'm sure you guys have seen that, but so the quality of it isn't really that big of a detour. Is that the right word for me? Because it doesn't really matter that much, but I know that a lot of you guys are always curious and asking what I think about Shein, or even asking me where I get my clothes. A lot of them are from like Shein and Charlotte Russe and stuff like that. So I'm gonna get into this haul. If you guys are curious to know, then keep watching. I wanted to show you guys this in case you've never ordered from Shein. They all come in these little bags. They're like Ziploc. They're like these little tie bags. I don't know what that's called. Ziploc bags, what I'm thinking. And the shirt and stuff is in them. That's how most of the things come packaged. Very wasteful if you ask me, but if I ship something back, I have to ship it back in this little baggie. So I kept them so that I could show you guys these. So the first shirt that I got here, I honestly, I'm gonna be honest with you guys, I wasn't sure that I was going to like it, but I did try some of these on, and this shirt actually fits me super, super, super well. So this is what it looks like. It looks really big right now, but when I put it on, I may try doing a try on in these, but when I put this on, it clings to my chest, but then it's flowy at my stomach. And if you guys don't know, I'm in a wheelchair and I carry the majority of my weight in my stomach and my thighs, so I'm really conscious about my stomach, and this like doesn't even show that I have that big of a stomach because it doesn't cling to it. And I was nervous about the little like not having any straps because I also hate my arms, but I'm actually like super, super impressed with this, and this is going to be one of my go-to shirts this summer because it makes me feel very, very, very confident in it. And it just has like these gray stripes. I don't know if I showed you the button on the front, but the buttons just look like that. This is totally my style and super cute. This next shirt that I ordered is just a black shirt, but why I wanted to pick it up is because on the sleeves it has like this fishnet arm thing, and I thought that was really cute, but it's really truly just this black shirt. I ordered just a couple of black shirts from this order. I don't remember what my reasoning was because it's been a couple weeks now, but I did pick up like 3, I think, just plain black shirts to wear out whenever the world starts opening up again. The next shirt that I got here is my absolute favorite color. It's this mustard yellow, and then this is what the graphic on it looks like. It says "Save the bees, plant these," and then just has some different things you should plant with the names on them. I thought this was super cute. The quality of this actually feels really nice. It is very soft. It's still kind of like that workout material that I think I've talked about in my other Shein hauls, but honestly, I think that one feels really nice. So this right here is just a black shirt, but the top part right here is see-through, and I thought this would look really nice just to wear out if I went out to the club with my friends, the bar with my friends, where it doesn't feel like I'm trying too hard, because I'm not like, I wear like the same 3 things. I want to feel comfortable, I want to feel comfortable and confident in what I'm wearing, and I personally don't feel comfortable like super dressed up, so I thought that was a little nice in-between type thing to where I could still feel like I'm dressed up, but I still feel comfortable because the shirt of it is relaxed. And this is just an everyday shirt that I thought was really cute. I like these like graphic tees like this. This one just says "Feeling Good" and has this graphic on it. I thought it was super cute. The quality on this one feels really nice. The screen print on it doesn't feel like the best, but the actual shirt quality feels really nice. You guys know how much I love a good basic tee, so this is just a basic like olive hunter green shirt. And this would be cute if you want to layer. You could put like some necklaces or something on it to kind of class it up. I'll probably just wear it plain, but I really like this color on me. I think it looks really nice on my skin tone, and this was just another basic where I could still feel like I'm trying and putting effort in, but it's just a plain t-shirt. I did pick up one thing of like lingerie I got this out and this does not look like it's gonna fit me. It's an extra large and I can try to show you like right here what it was supposed to be, but I'm gonna tell you right now, this is not going to fit my big boobs. So I may end up just passing this along to somebody else who may wear it because it ain't fitting. It ain't fitting. I already know it's not. So this is the next shirt that I got. It's just this black and white striped shirt with this yellow on the neck and the arms. I have a shirt similar to this that I got on Shein before and I liked it. The quality of it was like that workout material. This one doesn't have that same material exactly. It still kind of feels workouty, but it's nothing like that. The other one was kind of super workouty. This one's not so much. And I just thought this would be a cute little cozy everyday type shirt. I really like these style shirts. I know people say that big girls shouldn't wear stripes, but I don't really care. We're saving apparently my favorite items from this haul for last. I didn't mean to do that, but that's just how it happened. No, I'm missing something. Uh-oh, I'll have to have Jacob look because I think I'm missing something. This is another black shirt and I have not, ooh, this one has like a deep V with that mesh. Ooh, girl, I'm gonna be getting some good boob shots from that. And the quality on this one's really soft. It feels really, really nice. Okay, so I ended up having to have Jacob go pick up 2 of the shirts because I couldn't find them. So we're down to our last 3. This one, guys, honestly, it's gonna grow on me, but I'm super excited about it. I have been loving leopard print lately, and this is a leopard print crop top. And it automatically ties, sorry, that's the door open. It automatically ties, it forces it to be a crop top. So it's out of my comfort zone 100%, but I think I like it. It's a little tight right now, but I'm in the process of losing a little bit of weight. So I think this is probably gonna be one of my favorite items that I purchased from this haul because I like it. We're about to have a cat fight, oh God. Okay, so another one of my favorite items I think I'm gonna love from this haul is this camo shirt. It's a crop top too, and it has these things that dangle down to where you can do that little knot. I haven't tried this one on yet, but the quality of it is really soft. It feels really nice. And I got some camo shirts for work, and I absolutely love the way camo looks on me, so I knew that I had to buy that right away. And the last thing in this haul is just another black graphic tee that says made in the 90s. The quality of this has that like workout material. I don't know what it is, but it feels like something you would work out in. But I'm really excited. It's stretchy, so it should fit pretty well. And I think for the most part, I got all of these in an extra large or 2XL. I will put the sizing and the pricing of these on the screen if I can figure out how to do that in editing. And I'm also going to try to do a try on really quick for you guys. I've never done a try on haul before, but I'm going to try to do that really quick so you can see what these look like on my body. Overall, guys, I've really enjoyed ordering from Shein. I've had pretty good success with a lot of the clothes. A lot of people that I know order lingerie on there as well because it's super cheap. This is the only time that I've got it and I'm not wanting it, but I can return it or I can give it to one of my friends. So super excited about everything that I got today. Let me know what's something you've picked out from Shein or your favorite item from this haul. I will see you guys in my next video. Thank you for watching. Bye.